Good morning, this is my second vlog video. It is Sunday, June 6th, at about 8 a.m. I'm back in base camp again. This is my third day back in base camp after the Ranger training trek, which was quite cold, rainy, and full of hail. I was really kind of disappointed when I missed the hail in North Carolina about 3 or 4 weeks ago, because it melted right before I got up. But now I'm kind of sick of seeing hail. I've seen it about 4 days in a row. And yeah, I will certainly send a picture in my Instagram and post it of the big hailstorm we got here. It was about 2-3 inches of hail, hailed for about at least 20 minutes straight. It was unlike anything that I think any single person here had ever seen before. And it was honestly enough to go skiing in. That was a pretty cool experience, and it's definitely a humbling experience to be cold about 80% of the day, 'cause that's kind of how it was. The sun did not come out a whole lot on our training trek, but all in all, it was a great experience. I bonded with all of the guys in TC4 and really enjoyed every minute of it. Yeah, I'm really excited to take my home crew out in about 4 days, I think. I got confirmed for that, so I have the opportunity to do that, which is pretty cool. As you can see, I'm not wearing my uniform today. Going out with the group to Taos today. We're just gonna go get some good food and see civilization for the first time in a while. I'm hoping to get some Western wear, so interested to see how that might fit me. I feel like there's a whole lot more I could say, but in all honesty, it's just been a great experience so far. I've met people from all over the United States. And I just love meeting new people. Yeah. I'm also rocking my pink socks today. Great day to do that. Tacky day, I guess you could say. Thank you for all of the support, continued support, and I love hearing from all y'all. Still working on my tons and tons of postcards. Yeah, and it's always just really exciting every single day here. So I hope this is enough for the update. Let me know what you all want to hear. But I'm certainly excited to start the job. The training is all done, so hope you all have a very good week, and hope to hear from some of you all soon.